Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I am going to show you 5 easy ways to take a screenshot using your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. First method, I am using the physical button. To do that, find the power button and volume down button on your phone. Once you found the both button, simply press the both button at the same time your device and you have successfully taken a screenshot your phone. Method 2, I am using quick settings panel. To do that, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel menu. Here you can try to find the take a screenshot or similar name depending on your phone model or version. Once you found it, simply tap on it once and this time you have successfully captured the screen. Method 3, I am using assistant menu. To do that, go to settings, scroll all the way to bottom, open accessibility. After that, click on interaction and dexterity. Here you can find assistant menu option. Right now this option is turned off. Simply turn it on first. After it turn on, you can see the pop-up assistant menu icon. Click on it. Then here you can find the screenshot option. Tap on it once and you have successfully captured a screenshot using that method. Fourth method, I am using Edge panel. To do that, simply go back to the main settings, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the display option, click on them. After that, scroll through the page, located the Edge panel option. If it turn off your phone, simply turn it on. After that, go to panel section. Here you can see various options. Scroll through the page and make sure to your task bar is selected. After that, simply go back to your home screen, swipe the Edge panel to open it, then find the smart tag or screenshot similar name, tap on it, then simply set the skin if what type of you want to take a screenshot. For example, I am take this screenshot, then tap on the download icon and you have successfully taken a screenshot using your fourth method. The fifth method, I am using the Google Assistant. To do that, simply say, hey Google. Once your Google Assistant or Gemini open, simply say, please take a screenshot.
Say take a screenshot.
And you have successfully the 5 method easy way to take a screenshot. If you already done to find all of a screenshot your phone, simply go to gallery, then at the picture section tap on albums. After that, find the screenshot option, click on it, and here you can see all of the take a screenshot listed there. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel.